There is no role. This is not a public hospital where the executive should be involved in the politics of managing this hospital. This is purely a private entity that is run with the respect of the shareholders. So, Kenyans be aware that the hospital is running very well. There is no cause of alarm.
The AG has got no mandate whatsoever in running the operations of a private institution. As my colleague has already alluded to, the hospital is up and running. This is a temporary hurdle that those who want to start the waters and the normal operations of the hospital must be told that we have a law in this country, we have a constitution in this country where private institutions should be allowed to run without any interference from the state operatives or state officers.